Top 10 Online Earning Site to Earn Money at Home. Welcome to YouTube Press Channel Videos. Number 1. People are making millions using YouTube. There are tons of YouTube channels on various topics. It can be thus inferred that is one of the best online earning sites options. How much can you earn? It all depends upon how much traffic you can attract. But don't worry, you can even make money using the platform's ad or by getting sponsored posts. YouTubers earning more than $100,000 rose by 40%, and earning 5 figures rose by 50% in the past 3 years. Number 2. It is one of the easiest ways to start earning online from home without any initial investment. What do you need? A blog page, website, or YouTube channel. It is an advertising program for which you can register for free. Once registered, you will get a code that you can add to your website. How Google AdSense works. Select the type of ad you want to appear on your website. Choose the placement of these ads. Number 3. It is the most trusted online earning site, in trend, and leading e-commerce websites over the globe. It has a huge variety of items a consumer can choose to buy, and a huge variety of options for sellers to sell. To start selling on Amazon, you just need to register for the seller account. Once registered, you can upload your products, and that's all. What all things Amazon takes care of for you. Delivery and logistic part are taken care of by Amazon itself. Trust is taken care of. If the product is present on Amazon, 88% of people say they are likely to buy it. Number 4. Due to the increasing use of social media and other online options like blogs, YouTube, etc., digital marketing has increased rapidly over the past years. Digital Market is an online earning site which provides a platform for the buyers and the sellers of the services related to digital marketing. It also helps in eliminating the middlemen, thus empowering buyers and sellers. Number 5. Upwork is a global freelancing online earning site trusted and used by millions of users. It is one of the most genuine online earning site options to start and earn a high-paying gig online for their skills. One can even land a full-time job, as this is one of the most trusted websites by managers. The big-sized project with a high budget is present on the website, so you can earn a significantly higher amount of money online. It has around 5 million registered clients. Number 6. It is one of the best stock photography websites to help monetize your photography skills. Photographers can upload photos for free. To go with this platform is quite easy and quite profitable over time. Copyright to your creativity is retained. For every download your stock of photos gets, you receive a royalty, which results in an increase in your profits. In case you do have the right skills, which would help monetize your photography, you can always check out the Shutterstock website, which is one of the best earning websites to help you generate an online income. Number 7. As one of the most successful investors, Warren Buffett once said, "I made my first investment at age 11. I was wasting my life up until then." Zerodha is an online platform to help invest in stocks, derivatives, mutual fund, and more. It helps you multiply your existing money if you are knowledgeable about stocks. Zerodha is India's biggest stockbroker app. It provides stock trading at the lowest brokerage rate. Nearly 15% of all retail order trades in India are done using Zerodha. Number 8. Want to help others and monetize your experience and knowledge by becoming a consultant, but aren't sure what steps to take next? You can set up a free account on Clarity.fm. After registering, you can create your profile. Once your profile is set up, people will book a session with you. Expertise in any area like blogging, content writing, even YouTubers can become consultants and earn a decent amount of money from this online earning site. Number 9. It is a great platform for someone who buys lots of dresses. All the clothes which don't fit you anymore, or you don't want to wear them anymore. What do you do with such clothes? ThredUp is an online resale platform dealing with used clothing items. You can filter results using the search option based on criteria like size, color, and type of clothing. You will receive thousands of results if you only type in women's clothing and sweater. Number 10. You may register as a reseller with Meesho and start posting images of your items and catalogs on your Facebook page to share with your network. It might make a good amount of money using Meesho, which has the fastest growth rate in the reselling industry. You can register as a reseller even if you don't have a product to offer, because whatever you deliver will be under your brand's name. The more orders you receive, the more money you can make. Meesho is hence of the best online earning website, making it a very easy to use and genuine platform.